Hi, I'm Peter Paul Manano, 28 years old from Barangay 110, Utap, Tacloban City. Nag-join ako kay gusto ko na makita ko taksa kung hay na ako nag-improve, and at the same time, I want to live my life remarkable and touch people's heart. This way, don't let this moment end. Instead of a dream, getting loud now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand and share this with me. Darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Tablets of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little.